Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Gcash app authentication failed. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go to your app store or play store, and right over there simply go ahead, type in Gcash and check whether your app is updated or not, because if it's not, then it will be causing that problem. Make sure it shows open instead of update. If it does, simply update it. Now then, once you have done that, you're gonna go ahead, go to your settings and simply scroll down. Simply go to the search bar, search in Gcash. Simply go ahead, scroll down till you find your app right over here. Now tap on it. Now from here, scroll down, tap on this option of general, and now tap on iPhone storage. Scroll down till you find the particular Gcash app, and now simply tap on this offload app and simply offload it. This will also help out cleaning all the unnecessary cache files, which will also help your app run smoothly, and that will also likely to solve your problem. So make sure to try these steps and you're good to go. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.